Did you know that over 4.5 billion people are using email worldwide in 2025? And that number is gonna keep climbing to 5 billion. That's billions of potential customers and fans you could be reaching every single day. If you're not leveraging email funnels, you are missing out big time. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on email funnels, your secret weapon for turning followers into loyal paying customers. Imagine your funnel as a thrilling amusement park slide, but instead of a splashing pool, your followers land right in your list, ready for the journey of their lives. But this isn't just any slide. It's a scientifically designed step-by-step marketing funnel that guides people from "who are you" all the way to "shut up and take my money." What's up? My name is Ace with MailerLite. Now, let's talk about the science behind that metaphorical slide I was just talking about. According to marketing research, only about 2 to 3% of people will buy on their first interaction. That means your funnel is doing the heavy lifting, nurturing the other 97%, and keeping them engaged until they are ready to buy. And that's where the real magic happens. Now, let's break down the funnel basics though. Funnel visualization. Picture a literal funnel. It's wide at the top and tight at the bottom. That's the shape of your email marketing journey. Every day, hundreds of billions of emails are sent and received, but only the best funnels turn those messages into sales. We'll walk through each stage and show you exactly how to turn your funnel into a conversion machine. For stage 1, the top of your funnel, attraction. This is the widest part of your funnel, where you're casting a net to grab as many potential customers as possible. Here, your goal is massive volume and instant interest. Did you know that the average conversion rate for top of the funnel lead magnets is around 10 to 15%? So you do some quick math, and that means for every 100 people who see your offer, 10 to 15 will jump into your funnel. Your challenge: make that number as big as possible. And how to widen the top of your funnel. You want to create irresistible lead magnets, like free guides, cheat sheets, and exclusive content that instantly solves a specific problem for your audience. And leverage multiple touch points. Use your social media, blog, and ads to drive traffic to your lead magnet. And of course, clarity is key. Make your offer so clear and compelling that the audience can't help but sign up. The science behind this: a good top of the funnel strategy captures not just clicks, but eager subscribers ready to learn more, setting the stage for the nurturing phase, which is coming up now. Stage 2, middle of the funnel, nurturing. Now we move down the funnel and things start to get a little more targeted here. This is where you filter out the casual followers from the real potential customers. Think of this like dating. You wouldn't propose marriage, like, aka sell, on the first date. Instead, you build trust and rapport, show your unique value, and become the obvious choice. And the data? Well, leads nurtured in the middle of the funnel see around a 20% increase in sales opportunity. That's huge. Your emails here are about creating a relationship, sharing stories, insights, and value rather than just pushing for a sale. We're gonna do that later. Pro funnel tip: tools like MailerLite make this middle funnel nurturing ridiculously easy. With MailerLite, you can set up automated email sequences that guide people smoothly down your funnel, which will build trust, boost engagement, and it's all on autopilot, so you can do it without lifting a finger once you got it set up. They also have tons of automation templates, so you can hit the ground running. Imagine setting up automated emails, follow-ups, personalization with minimal effort and maximum impact in minutes. Plus, you could join for free. I'll drop a link down in the description for you to check it out if you're interested. And stage 3, bottom of the funnel, conversion. We've reached the narrowest, most profitable part of the funnel, where followers become customers. Here's a mind-blowing fact though. The bottom of your funnel is actually where 80% of your revenue comes from. Yes, 80%. This means that your conversion strategy absolutely needs to be razor sharp. At this stage, your emails should address specific objections, answer those final hesitation questions before they buy, provide social proof, showcase testimonials, case studies, and real results, and of course, create urgency. Use limited time offers or bonuses to speed up the buying decision. You want to make saying yes the obvious choice. Guide them step by step to pressing that purchase button. The science: by the time your audience reaches the bottom of the funnel, they should feel super confident that you are the right choice because you've addressed every doubt and showcased your value at every turn. The power of a well-designed funnel. Understanding your funnel gives you a marketing superpower. You're not just sending emails, you're crafting a strategic path that guides people exactly where you want them to go. And also, quick recap: top of the funnel, you're gonna attract and capture using compelling lead magnets. In your middle of the funnel, you're gonna nurture and build trust with automated value-packed emails. And the bottom of the funnel, convert and sale with targeted persuasive messaging. And one final pro tip: a great funnel is like a great story. It should be exciting, solve a real problem, and make people feel like they can't live without your solution. Drop a comment down below. What's the biggest funnel challenge you're facing right now? I'd love to hear about it. And if you want to make your funnel building simple and effective, go ahead and check out MailerLite for all your email automation needs. That said, I'll catch you all in the next one.